So about a month and a half ago, I wrote two back-to-back posts about some really interesting features of Lucee CFML. One was the ability to use all tags within CFScript using a unified syntax, and the other was the ability to use these things called tag islands, which enables us to use both ColdFusion and HTML tags directly from within CFScript, but using tag syntax. So I created a demo to show off these features because I'm sort of freaking out that they exist because they're so awesome. So here you can see I have a page that says please provide a filter, and if we do filter equals jQuery, you can see here a post that I've written about jQuery. If we do love, here a post that I've written with the word love in the title. If we have something that doesn't match anything, you can see it says it has no posts, right? And these just link over to my blog. So let's take a look at how this works under the hood, because technically there's nothing very interesting about the logic, but from a syntax and developer ergonomic perspective, this stuff is very exciting. So let's jump over into the code. So it's just a single page here for the demo, and you can see that I'm inside the CFScript tag, so all of this is going to be CFScript syntax. But what you'll see here immediately is that I'm using the triple backtick here to indicate a tag island, and the tag island allows us to switch over into our CF tag-based syntax directly and seamlessly from within our CF script. So in this case, I'm using the CF query tag to leverage the elegance and the brevity and the developer ergonomics that we've always enjoyed with the CF query tag, right? We get our CF query params to protect against SQL injection. We get to use our multi-line SQL syntax here. We could add CF if tags if we wanted, and so on and so forth, without having to create an entire tag-based component or tag-based context. Super exciting. You can see here then I'm using the unified CF tag syntax to use essentially the CF loop tag here by just dropping the CF and using loop. So I'm doing a query loop here as opposed to doing a for in loop, which in this case would, let's say, unnecessarily convert all of the rows in the post to individual structs. I don't have to do that. I can consume the query object as is using that CF tag syntax. And then I'm going to output two versions of the page, the version with matching records and the version without matching records. And in this case, again, I'm using the triple backtick here to create a tag island that you can see allows me to drop down into HTML-based tags with CFML-based tags as well inside my CFScript context, seamlessly switching from the brevity of CFScript to the ease of use of tag-based content without having to deal with things like echo and other types of, let's call it, obfuscating and noisy syntax. And then, of course, I drop out of the tag island back into my CF script. This is for the version of the page where there are no posts. And here, again, I drop right into a tag island, allowing me to output HTML directly within my CF script syntax. And this is just, it's just super exciting. I'm like a little bit freaking out about how awesome this is, because I love CF script. I love the brevity of the syntax, the cleanliness of the syntax. I love that my ColdFusion and my JavaScript are looking so similar these days. But I'm loving, loving, loving that I can drop down into tags, whether they're the CFML ColdFusion tags, whether they're HTML tags, within my CF script seamlessly. So awesome. I'm freaking out that other people aren't freaking out about how awesome this is. I really feel like these two features bring an elegance, a perfection to the CF script syntax, and I really think it's going to just unlock a lot of developer ergonomic, a lot of developer happiness in Lucee CFML going forward, and just super excited, super excited about this.